polvoron from
Wow,
Goldilocks.
this is so good. Gotta eat it more. It's raining.
Okay, wait na.
Oh, Mom, this is spaghetti. Mom,
Oh,
this
yeah?
is spaghetti, Mom. This is spaghetti.
Okay, just put it there.
Oh, this is candy.
Goy, naghumot na ang bulad,
Wow, we
guys.
found a candy. What? What? Wow, this must be a candy. Wow, this is probably a candy. It's so hard to open. Maybe this one is candy. Yay, candy.
Two bags. Then we have here from Goldilocks, guys.
This
Goldilocks.
is gonna be
Goldilocks polvoron.
This can be for you, I guess. Or maybe it's mine.
No, I'm looking for the frutos.
Oh wow, this is an entire workout. Because of how well packed this is.
No, they have to pack it very well, or else it stinks in the airline.
Wow, they're so good.
Yeah, this is how they
I think this might be the one.
wrap the package, guys. Thank you sa nagpadala, the Caloritis family. Thank
Okay,
you,
I
Giselle.
really,
Thank you, the
really,
Conley family, for bringing this from Dumaguete to the US. And from New York, Darcy sent this to California. So how many hours this package is flying and traveling? Oh, that's the squid. That's another squid. More squid, guys.
Yay,
Oy,
candy!
balik naghana man yung atong squid. Pila man ika squid. Wow. Very guapa kayo atong squid, guys. 5, 10. Backward a little bit. You're covering that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. Look at that. Dry squid. We have different bulad here. This is hinok. There's baby hinok. There's mother hinok. Naabot na ang gipadala na ko. Pulburon, guys. O, pulburon. Di anay manulsog. Magsugba na sa mama na ugma. Ato ibutang ang pulburon dere, guys. Agoy, ka-cute sa ilang danggit. Na, baling nagmaya ilang danggit, guys.
Hey!
May malaki din. Okay, so danggit is real, no? Baby hinok, mama hinok. Bulad sa prabal. Oh, lami ni siya. Butang sa munggos. Wow, kawaw kaayo. Nakabalo po silang nipalit ani, oh. Bulad sa prabal, guys. Lami ni ibutang sa munggos. Wow, kagwapa, oy. Wow, di arag akong paboritong bulad po, guys. Usapon ni sa akong ganahan. Dira, gwapa kaayo. Wow. Lami po ni siya, guys. Isagol sa utan nga munggos, no? Mupalit na tag munggos, ani. Gwapa kay siya. May pagi inani ratanan, je. Gawas aring maliit na hinok. Karing maliit na hinok, je. May pay wala na lang mo ni palit, anak. Gwapa kay ning pinikas, ay. Pero okay ra, lami ka ng hinok na gagmay ug makurot na ning dagko. O, diba? Ato nang i-display diha.
Here's the wrapper.
Pamain, guys. Just put it on the table. I'll just get it there. Wow! Kagwapa sa pinikas. And this one. Ito ang pinakagusto ko rin. Goodbye head. Ano saan yan? Manulsog. Danggit. Hinok, guys, hinok. Lami po ning ganahan po kog hinok mo nang niingon jud kung butangin ning hinok day. Ken kanay ato ning butang di report. Kuan siya basog maagda ning dugay magluto ta, ginagsa lang. As what I've said, lamit ni siya ibutang sa munggos nilatan. And the band won't play. Flowers in the night. Kani siya, nurag magulang ni siya sinok, pero dili siya hinok. Lami po ni siya. Maihap na nga klase sa bulag. Upat. Unom. 8. May pay kanigidaghan ni Nugget kaysa aring gagmay nga hinok. 10. 13 ra ka buok. 13 ra ni nga klase, Je. Kaning hinok, sarang gagmaya. I-ziplock na lang nato ng hinok. Kaya kung makalugar ko, ay ganito na lang guys, ang kaning hinok kay nurag need yun siyang hugasan. Hugasan lang na siya kung magluto na.